Hi, Kumar here. Now we're going to be going over the Strategy 1 trading rules. I'm going to now cover some very important rules and scenarios that need to be addressed for this strategy. Late entry if the 25% point is broken. This is very important. We trade multiple time frames, but there may be times where the 25% entry may have already been broken on the current time frame that you're looking at. This is not something to worry about, as there are a few ways of handling this. Firstly, you should really wait for the low of the bar for shorts or the high of a bar for longs to be broken to enter a trade. This is the first rule in order to enter a trade. In other words, if the 25% mark in a short trade is higher than the low of the latest bar, meaning entry would be within the current bar's range, then you should wait to see what happens in the next bar. We do not really want to enter a trade unless a low or high is being broken. So sometimes, once you've identified the C point, you may see an immediate break of the 25% mark. As I said, that's okay. Wait to see on the next bar if the previous high is broken, and then you can enter the trade. So what does this mean? It means that sometimes your entry point can be within the previous bar's range. And this is something you do not want to go into, as it could be a false entry and you could get snapped out of the trade. So what you should do here is wait. You see, sometimes a 25% entry can be broken in the bar right after the pivot bar, point C. The problem here is that you will not be able to even identify the formation of point C, because a pivot hasn't formed until the next bar has a lower high for long trades or a higher low for short trades. And by the time